Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact range or column that holds your colored values. Make sure headers are included if you want them as labels. Once selected, enable filters via data, create a filter or the funnel icon. This attaches dropdowns to each header. Then click the filter dropdown on the column you care about. You will see sorting, filter by condition, and a filter by color option. This first step attaches the tools you need to target colors directly. So proceed now. Now you use filter by color. Click that drop-down and choose whether to filter by fill color or text color, depending on how the color was applied. Pick the exact color swatch that matches your cells. If you don't see an exact match, look for closest or use the none option to show uncolored cells. Once done, combine this with filter by condition if you need more precision. For example, show only red cells with values 100. This step narrows results precisely. To finish, verify the filtered set and copy, analyze, or export as needed. Clear the filter when done using the funnel icon. Make sure to standardize colors going forward. Use conditional formatting to assign exact swatches, because manual fills often include subtle shade differences that break filters. If the filter finds nothing, check whether colors are text versus fill and whether multiple similar shades exist. Adjusting to one exact hex or swatch fixes most issues quickly, so you can repeat reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.